how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to solve the EVS worksheet. In this worksheet I will be giving 50 MCQs and you have to write the answers in your EVS notebook only. So let's start. First question is, bridge are built over. Can you tell me where are the bridge built? Yes, they are built over the river and railway lines. So both A and B are correct answers. So we will write C, all of this. Where do you see jugaads? Can you tell me where jugaads are being seen? Yes, in Gujarat. The correct answer is A, Gujarat. Name the transport by which you can cross the water. We can cross water by boat and ferry both. So your answer would be C, all of this. Where are the camel cart used? Can you tell me where most of the camel cart are used? Yes, answer is A, desert. Which is the longest bridge in India? Which is the longest bridge in India, children? Howrah Bridge, Mahatma Gandhi Setu, Sea Link Bridge. Which is that? Yes, it is B, Mahatma Gandhi Setu. Where are the pule used? Can you tell me where we can use the pule? We can use in well as well as construction. So the correct answer is C, both. 7th, the trolley is used to cross the. Where we can use a trolley? River and valley both. We can cross river and valley through a trolley. So answer is C, all of these. How many people do you think can cross the bridge at a time? Can you tell me how many people can cross the bridge? The answer is B, more than 20. Where is the bridge located? So children, can you tell me where is the bridge located? Over a river, under a river, or over road? Correct answer is A, over water. Who all use the bridge? Who all use the bridge to cross the road? Animals and people. We both use the bridge. So the answer is C, all of this. 11. Which material are used in making this bridge? Can you tell me, children, which material is used? A, cement, B, plastic, C, steel. Which is the answer? Yes, A, cement. Which is the strong bridge among these? Which would be the strong bridge, children? A bridge of cement, a bridge of bamboo, or a trolley? Yes, the answer is a bridge of cement. Name the animal whose ears are like fan. Can you imagine? Ears like fan? Yes, the answer is C, elephant. Name the animal whose ears cannot see. Which animal's ears we cannot see? Snake, cat, dog. Yes, answer is A, snake. Which of the animal have no hair on their body? Can you tell me who don't have hair on their body? A, cat, B, frog, C, deer. Can you see the hair on cat? Yes, we can see. Can we see the hair on frog? No, the answer is B, frog. Which animals lays egg? Can you tell me which animal lays egg? The answer is C, lizard. Which of these animal gives birth to babies? The option is A, hen, B, bat, C, snake. The answer would be A, hen. Name the animal whose ears are like leaves. So children, whose ears are like leaves? Yes, A, rabbit. An animal which ears on the top of its head. Who have the ears on its top of its head? Yes, answer is B. Rabbit. An animal with ears on both the side of its head. Who have ears on its both the side? The answer is A. Dog. Who is the leader of animal herd? Oldest male, oldest female, young female. The answer is B. Oldest female. Male animal live in the herd till the age of? The answer is C. 15 years. What are the external teeth of an elephant is called? Do you know the elephant external teeth is called? Tucks. What they are known as? Tucks. So answer would be A. Tucks. What is the approximate weight of an adult elephant? Do you know the weight of an adult elephant? Yes, it is 500 kg.